Hey there, riders, welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider. In this video, well, it's going to be a little bit obscure video. I hope you can see me. Color on the camera looks like it's real dark, but it could be overcompensating for the sunset off to the east. So here I'm over at Lamar Park after a long ride. Well, not so much a long ride, but a ride. Got bored, decided to get out of the house. Gotta say it's a beautiful day. Actually just saw a doe. Pretty sure it was a doe, unless it was a buck without antlers right now. But definitely a doe. Over inside the fields over there, not too far away. We happen to have a dumping ground that's not too far away from here that's connected by the city of Wyoming. It runs from one end to the other. They actually own a good portion of land and such. In fact, right over here we got the old GMC plant. No, old GMC plant. It's now something else. I don't know what it is. All I know is it's not paying union wages. Gotta be careful around this area. Got a lot of people that just do nonsense, various things. They don't like seeing people out with camcorders out or anything like that, so it is what it is. So here we are. Unusual truck. Squirrel. Anyways, so what was the point of this video? I had a point. Oh, right. So this past week, kind of fell behind on my diet. Reason for that is the wife went in for stomach surgery, and well, to be quite honest, I've been cooking for myself for a long time. I just get so sick and tired of it, so I wanted to switch over to, went with pizza, Subway, went to Wendy's, went to Chinese. Did barbecue today since it's Father's Day, and that's pretty much about the extent of the cheating. Oh yeah, and 2 bags Chex Mix, various types, and I got a bag of Fritos inside my drawer, which I'm not touching because they're not the same size anymore. They went with the small little strips, kind of like what they went with the chili ones, instead of going with the bigger strips in which I was used to. It's like, oh, I don't like this, but it goes great in soup. Which is also something which I had, which isn't part of my diet, so it's a no-no. But anyways, so here I am over at Lamar Park. By myself, pretty much, over in this area of baseball diamond. Yeah, it's actually nice. One of the things which I discovered on my videos, insert transition.
Transition whoosh.
Can tell I play Grand Theft Auto way too much. But one of the things in which, in my videos that I've noticed that, I switched over to the GoPro 8, put that on the bike, have it front facing. Because when I wear the half helmet, like I do most of the time in which I'm not on the highway, and it's 80 plus degrees, you don't really want to wear the full face helmet, so you can't really do moto vlogs that well unless you got good ventilation going inside there, which is fine. But lately I haven't been thinking about talking at all inside these videos, so it's just been me running around getting various things, recording. There I go. Yeah, got the GoPro here, but I forgot to grab the cable so that way it would charge up. But anyways, I digress. So I haven't been doing a lot of talking videos. In fact, I haven't been releasing videos like I should be. In fact, this Father's Day, I don't think I had a single video come out like I normally do at 10 o'clock. And I've also noticed my viewership has gone down a lot, in which I might get about 4 or 8 views. So it tells me my subscribers aren't really watching my videos. I mean, it'd be nice if you watch my videos. It helps with the views. My shorts end up getting more. In fact, as soon as I get like the on my video shorts, when I do like 1,444, all of a sudden my plays drop off. Like, well, my shorts are nice, but that doesn't get me my viewerships, which I like. I like to be able to maybe make some money in order to be able to pay for gas. I mean, I don't do Patreon because I think that's just asking for a hand-me-out. And
Please,
I don't have enough subscribers in order to do a subscription. Yeah, to subscribe to pay money to watch my content before it gets released. Not exactly too sure how that works out, but I guess I would find out if I was got more viewership. But anyways, so I've just been pretty much creating videos for myself and editing them and then just sticking them off to the side, in which not too sure. I mean, I had talked to some other moto vloggers, and it turns out that they don't even do the talking inside their helmets. I was like, what do you mean? It's like, yeah, it's like a lot of the times they'll just go for a ride, they won't talk inside their helmet, and then they'll handle it in doing the video. You know, when they edit the video, then they'll put together a script or something like that, and then do it, and then make it sound like makes it sound like you're going for a ride and you're talking. It's like, yeah, that's a good idea, but I just feel like that's another way of just taking away from the authenticity.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
That's it. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, ride safe. I'll see you next ride.